This is Gordon Drive, richest part of Naples, here in southwest Florida. We are post-Hurricane IDALIA, which didn't really do much. Definitely took some sand away from the beaches, but no flooding, nothing like that. Turned up the waters a little bit. But check out these houses. And these tourists. Well, it's an interesting bike. So we're probably gonna have to park right there, but I'm gonna go down and see if my other spot is available. Gordon Drive, the furthest spot you can actually park is down here, which, look at that, everyone's parking here. They got a sign up here that says no parking, but if everyone else is doing it, I'm gonna do it too. Perfect. A lot of these houses are actually still in recovery mode and renovations from Hurricane Ian. I was actually living in Fort Myers when that hit, so I saw the worst of it. They got a lot of flooding and a lot of damage close to the ocean here, so we're actually gonna get some sand fleas. So all I do is the cheap way. Went to Goodwill, found this. It's got a thin edge on it. I'll show you how that works. Instead of getting the sand flea rake, spending, I don't know, they're probably 40, 50 bucks. Spent like $2 on this. Got myself a net to throw them in when I'm catching them. And just go the cheap route and it works. I'm just trying to get some sand fleas. Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of them.
Are there?
Yeah, it's floating, so
Yeah.
they may be all right.
Might not have any luck here. Normally I got some by now. Let's go a little deeper. There's some. Plenty of them. Just had to go a little deeper. They don't bite or anything. Throw those in the net. All right, here we are on Naples Beach. It's a holiday. I don't know if it's Memorial Day or Labor Day because I always get them screwed up. But we were gonna go down to Gordon Pass. The other day I caught 17 redfish and about 10 other fish beyond that. So we've collected our sand fleas, as you'll probably see in the video. Cheap way to do it, by the way. And we're going to go down, fish with some sand fleas, and I also got some shrimp. And here's another pro tip. Don't get the shrimp in a bucket of water with a bubbler. Like, that's too much work, too much to carry. Actually, just have them put them in a bag, and all you have to do is throw them on ice. That's the easiest way, and they actually come alive like right after you get them in the water. So, yep, that's one way to do it. And we're going to see you down there. Looks like I might be catching some waves here. Oh God. That's what you get for sitting on a sandbar. There's some dead sand fleas down here. What I was going to show you was how I hook these. So, got the head here. You just go right where the meat is. As long as you get enough meat, it will stay on. So you run this circle hook up through the body of the meat and then out the side. So that hook's showing. Just like that. And I've been finding that these floats have been working pretty well. I mean, with the snapper, it probably doesn't matter, but a lot of other fish, they like to see it. It's easier. Let's see if we can get another one here. I think I threw it kind of right in the rocks. Good thing is if I get snagged, it'll be easy to get out. Yeah, I can feel rocks there. I'm gonna cast it all a little bit deeper. What do we have here? It's a nice snapper. Might even be big to keep enough. We're gonna see if we can. All right, we just caught a one keeper snapper, 11 inches. I mean, I pretty much can come out here and catch snapper. Not always within keeper size, but usually do that last resort if I'm not catching anything else. So, see what we can get. They're biting. Oh, there's one. That one feels pretty decent too, actually. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, it might be. Look at those teeth. Snapping down on it. Alright, let's measure him. Gotta be 10 inches. And it looks like it is. Yep, it's a keeper. Got 2 in there now. GoPro stop recording. All right, we're gonna try one other spot here. The other spot's pretty slow. Got left behind, buddy. I'm gonna go right out here. See these pilings. I got some cut bait from the last spot. I'm gonna throw on the big rod, and then I'm gonna use shrimp or sand fleas for the small rod that I'll cast around. What the heck is that? Jeez. Nope. All right, come on, give me one. Something's tapping my big rod out there. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Did you see that? Oh my God, I hope I don't lose this freaking rod. Holy crap. Oh no, I gotta get out there. That thing's not set good enough. Holy shit. That like chest high water just dropped off. What the heck? It's loose right now. I don't know if it's hooked. It must be. Alright. Holy crap. Where am I gonna set this? It's gonna be getting wet. All right, we still recording? Yeah, we are. Is it still on? Oh no. It's not on. What the heck hit that? This thing stayed dry. That's good. Oh. All right, well. So I caught a damn puffer fish earlier. Had it hooked just fine. It died, so I cut it. I don't know if it's legal, but don't forget the water shoes.